is on the Lord's side? I want to know. I am on the Lord's side. Who is on the Lord's side? I want to know. I am on the Lord's side. I am on the Lord's side. I will never give up. I am on the Lord's side, for the Lord has done me well. I am on the Lord's side. I will never give up. I am on the Lord's side, for the Lord has done me well. Who is on the Lord's side? I want to know. I'm on the Lord's side. Who is on the Lord's side? I want to know. I am on the Lord's side. Who is on the Lord's side? I want to know. I am on the Lord's side. Hi everyone. Hi. Good day to you all. Good day. Hi. So, guys, my people, as you can see there, my topic today is always do the right thing. Wherever you are, always do the right thing. Okay? So, as you are, my name is Madame Riba, aka Businesswoman, alias people favorite. So guys, I always thank you. If you have subscribed to my YouTube channel, a very big thanks. If you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please go and do subscribe to my channel. So, and follow me on this my page, and please always share my video and press like. And I want to say a very big thanks to those of you that have doing it ever since, that always share my video, that subscribe to my channel. I want to say a very big thanks to you all. So this evening, as you can see, my topic is always do the right thing. Always do the right thing, my people, wherever you are, wherever you may be, any country you are, always do the right thing. It pays a lot to do the right thing. It pays a lot. So guys, as you can see the condition now, you see how all of us has today, where they kept us. As you can see how everything is going. So let me quickly tell you that they said you should remain in your house. If you are going out, you should fill that paper, that attestation, and mark it very well where you are going to. You take it along with you. I don't know for other countries if they are doing the same, but in our country, in where we live here, France, Paris, we do that here. You fill that paper and you mark it, and where you are going, you take it along with you. And then you don't forget to know that when you are going out, you go alone. They said you should be going alone. You should not go maybe group on group. Don't go with group. Go alone. And then if you want to go and do sport, you can go down and do sport, but don't go far, and don't spend more than 1 hour outside before you come back home. That is the law. So if you do more than that, if you don't respect the law, when they caught you, they are going to give you amount of 50,000 euro. I told you before, I told you earlier, respect the law of the land. So that is it. Let's continue of our topic. Always do the right thing. So wherever you are, always do the right thing. You see this condition, so you see how things can be. Most of you don't declare your work. Most of you will do black job. You don't some of you, you have document, but you don't like to do genuine job. You do black job. You understand? You prefer to do black job because you don't want to pay anything like tax. You don't want to pay to the government. You always do black job. You see this condition where we had now. How will that black job pay you? How will the black job bring money for you now? How will the government recognize you and give you something? Some of you, you will open shop, you will use another person to open it. You will use another person to open the shop, you will not declare it as your own. To open shop here, if you want to open shop, maybe you are doing nails, you do hair, you want to open shop, you want to have your own shop, you can go to the school. There is school here. There is formation that lasts for maybe 6 months, 8 months. You can go and have the diploma, the CIP certificate. That one, you can use it to open your shop. Some of you, you don't go. You don't go. You prefer to take other person's document and use it to open the shop and be paid the person. Some of you, you have document on your hand. You don't work. You always do illegal work to make the money big. Excuse me, don't misunderstand me. I'm not talking to those that don't have document. Those that don't have document, we know and we feel their pain. We know what they are passing through. We know that for now they don't have anything. It's normal. They can do black job. Yes, it's normal. It's not you that have document. It's not you that have paper for your hand. You will still be doing black job. Now where we dey now, what the black job bring for you? If you have shop now that you don't declare your shop, anything you are doing now, you don't declare it now. Now you will pay for it. The government don't know you. They will never support you. They will never help you. You see? Some of you, you just carry your document for your hand like this. You don't use it to work. Some of you, you prefer to do black job. This one will say, hey, I dey work for, I dey do hair, I dey get a lot of money, I dey do this, I dey get a lot of money. Those people, they don't declare hours for you. Those people you are working with, they don't declare hours for you. You will go and stay there and be working for them. You don't think about your retirement, you don't think about your future, but you always think about the money you get now. Like they get big money now. You always think about those money now. Since then, now everybody is at home. Even the person you are working with at that salon, at the other side, that does not declare you, is at home. How can that person come and pay you if it's not paying government? It's not paying government. The person cannot pay you. It's illegal. The country, the place is illegal. The person cannot help you. That is why I'm here to tell you this evening that you should always do the right thing. Don't think about the money you will get. Money will come, will go. You will look for this money, you will look for everything we hold. Even our forefather will come meet and say they look for this money. Always give what belongs to Caesar. Please, any country you are, please try and do the right thing. Please, work. Be legalized. Let them know you. Let the government know you. I told you on my last video on my YouTube before how me and my husband were living. When we got married, we were not having any document, but we were still declaring every year in government. We are still declaring. They will bring that paper for us. We will fill it. Write 0. We don't have anything. We'll write 0. Send it back. But when the time comes, that time for us to have our document, those that was the proof we submit, that proof that we are here since all this while. And because we buy we always buy our transport ticket. Some of you, you never buy. You never buy. You jump. Buy. Because when you buy, you will buy it. You will use it to go anywhere you want to go everywhere you want to go. But at the end, you will throw the ticket away. You will think that ticket is expired. You will throw it away. It's of no use again. It's a lie. It's already registered. It's in the system. Anytime you need it, your information, you go to and meet them. They will print it out for you. They will give you and tell you since when you start to buy ticket and when you buy and when you not buy. You see? So always do the right thing, my people. Forget this black job. If you have document, forget this black job you are doing. This black job you have been doing since now, you will pay for it. Government don't know you. They will never support you. They will never help you. It's only people they know they will support. They will render their help to. It's not you that have not been declaring your resources since all this while. It's not you that have not been paying tax to the government. It's not you that they are going to help. It's the people that are well recognized in the country and the people that have been paying this tax since. The people that give it to Caesar, give what belongs to Caesar to Caesar. Is these people that government will recognize and government will support. The evil government, they said it. They said it. If you have a shop, you have everything, they will help you for this period, this crisis period. They are going to help each and every one of you. They said it, except that you did not declare your business. You did not declare what you are doing. I'm not talking about all this our small business we are doing. No. So that one, they don't count that one. They are talking about big business, big thing, the big shop, big thing is what they are talking about. Please, my people, do the right thing. Always do the right thing. This my page. I told you earlier. This my page is to advertise my business, and the other one is to motivate people. I'm a motivational speaker. I always come here to motivate you, to tell you what you don't know. I will always here by God's grace to tell you what you don't know. And what you need to know, you can call me and I will explain it to you. Stop doing black business. Stop doing black job. It does not pay. You will lose for different way. You can be doing some hours at work. You will still do if you want to do, you still go and do in the other side. You say, okay, I want to be working in the salon. If I finish for my work when I declare, I will go to salon. If I finish for my work when I declare, I will go and do my nails. I will go to salon. That one is better. There is no problem. But you find declare something. Declare what you are doing. Let the government know you. Where you are, let people know you. You can go and carry the administrative fish, les impôts. You can go and take it there and fill it, even though you don't have document. Doing it every year, you will fill it. They put 0 for there. You not work, you not get anything. Put 0. When the time go reach for you to get the document, all those things will prove you that you have been in this country since, that you have been paying, doing the right thing. Stop doing anyhow in the country. Position yourself very well. Don't stop misbehaving. You see all the news everywhere now, all the picture flying everywhere that a woman wake up, buy somebody iPhone 11, a man, a boyfriend. That is wrong. I don't know if it's true or it's not true, but if it's true, it's wrong. And if it's not true, please, nobody should do that. It's not good now. How can you do that? Buy somebody iPhone 11, buy a car, just a boyfriend. It's not your husband, even your husband self. You before you go, why you go buy your husband iPhone 11? Even before you go buy am, make sure you don't do wetin pass that one for you first. You don't first do wetin pass that one for you before. You understand? Please respect the law of the land and stay right. Always do the right thing. Stop working, doing black job. Stop doing it if you have document. Except those that don't have. I don't have problem with those that don't have paper. No, I know what is. I know their situation. But my advice for them that they can still go and declare themselves. They can still go and take that paper. They can go to Asedic or go to Treasure Public or go to Les Impôts and take that document and fill it every year. Let them fill it and put 0 for them. They no work. Let them buy ticket. If then they always buy ticket, then they always fill that paper. Where you want to ask for document in the country, all those ones now proof. You go there, then go prove, they go print out for you. You will take it to Prophet to Costuria. You see, that is good to always do the right thing. It's very good, my brothers and sisters. Always do the right thing. Some of you don't save. To save na problem, na home, na ibu na service. Every small thing, una go pack, go home. Now una dey house now. They say anybody know they come out. You know, the government no know you. How they want to help you? The money where you dey pack go home, all those people go bring them back for you. They will bring them back for you. Instead of you to look for, if you don't have document, to look for good family, responsible family, a Christian family, family that have the fear of God, and save your money to them. There are a lot of good family in this country. It's not only what people we have. We have better people. We have responsible family. I can count myself one of them. You can never see my husband anywhere. It's not possible. You can't see him anyhow. No. Even me. It's not possible. No. So, also, there are also people like that. A lot of them that you can count on. That are very responsible. That have shade for their eye. That know that if I chop this girl money, this girl will disgrace me. Then plenty that you can save into their hand, that you can still open accounts under their name and save if you no get paper. Don't always they carry your money, go home. I don't get paper. Oh, hey, carry your money, go home. Now when you dey house now, how you want to do yourself? How far? Who want give you? Now the one room where you carry, now who want pay for you? The one room where you carry, the landlord, he declared that one room. He declared to government, say you carry one room for a hand. If he declare for government, that government go help you now. He not declare, because even here now against the law. To give rooms out is against the law. If they watch reportage, all those documentary, they watch them for night. I don't watch one day for Greeny here, one woman, I don't even know. The woman they speak English, but I don't know whether our people. But maybe na Cameroon, when they catch the woman, so shall give her house. So shall give her three rooms a parlor. So shall give her with her children. Make them suffer the day they live. She rents the rooms out. So when she can't rent the rooms out, people they pack, enter the house, they come out. Then people, neighbors come begin call police. So police come they follow them. Private detective, that one come they follow them. He come they follow them. As they follow them and they follow them, go inside. People they come out. One day they come bust the house. As they bust the house, the woman they cry for there. Now the detective, he say he want to. They say all those boys and girls now her brother. The other one na her sister. Now police come ask and say, if na your brother, if all these people na your brother, Why each person go get fridge for inside room? Why each person go get fridge and get a microwave inside room? Because two people dey room. This one get fridge, e get microwave, e get boiler. The other one, they enter the other one room, e get fridge, e get microwave, e get boiler. She, when dem give house, she dey one room with her children. She get microwave, she get boiler, she get fridge for inside the room. Now they come say, na your brother. If they be your brother, your sister, why don't not use kitchen? Me, everybody, they use one fridge and boiler for a microwave for inside kitchen. Now she come dey there, they cry. Say, now they come say, no, not be your brother. Now the reason why fire they catch for the house be this. This is the reason why fire, domestic violence, they come. This is the reason. How can one person go get fridge and different? You know, say then they monitor people because you know they follow up. All these things when they wash, they save me, they help me not to go shook my hand. It's to baba thing to know what to do in the country I am. Then they catch the woman. They go 3 years in prison, I be 1 year, and he go pay 50,000 euro. They catch her. I'm sorry, now government I give you the house. The house where government give you, they pay 350, I be 400 put. You go pack people put for the house. You pack. Money where you they collect, house where you not get. Money where you they collect is more than is 1-2 where they collect every month. House where they help you with your children. As a single mother, they help you. Because the law for this country, if you will be single mother, you not get husband, then they give you small thing because the load is not easy for one person to carry. The load is not easy for one person to carry to they take care of children. That is why they volunteer to they give them the money. But you people out there, they go misuse the opportunity. They go misuse the opportunity. They will not respect it. You understand? I'm telling you, if you are doing it, don't do it again. Don't do it again. Stay with your family. If the house you are giving out to rent, the rooms you are giving them, the money will not do anything for you. It will not do anything for you. You understand? It will not do anything for you. I know some of you say, I use it to help these people who will not get paper. But you use it to think about your own future too. Think about yourself. She will want go 1 year in prison and go come out. You go begin to pay 50,000 euro. You know how she go take pay. Even though she not dey work, no 1 euro go they go for her children again. Don't finish now. That money they go they seize. It don't finish. I get friend like that. She not they touch children money today. Like because of what she don't do pass. That all those money wey dem suppose to pay those children, now they pay that bill. Now even 12 they give them 12,000. Now government give them. So now the money now she take they pay. You see? So please my people, always do the right thing. Always do the right thing. It pays a lot. Everybody dey house now. People wey dem declare their job. People wey dem declare their document. People where they know for the country, people where they know for the land, people where they know now they go help. Now government go support. Government no can support you when you be illegal. You not be say you not get document, but everything what you do, they not declare them. You know they pay tax to the government. Government not can help you. It not go can help you. You where you get paper. You where no one work when they declare. Because you no want pay tax to the government. Government no go come help you now. And e no go come help you. You wey say, no, anything, you know they declare this, that, it no go still help you. Now people where they know, now people where declare their job, now people where their work it declare it's not illegal, their business is declared it's not illegal. Their affair, whatever they are doing is declared, it's not illegal. It's those people then go help. They even talk am. Then they talk am every day. Even today, they still talk am. They go still help people. They go help those that have complaint. Those that have complaint, they will help you. Those that have shop with your name or with your real identity, they will still help you. Those that have what will I say? It's shop and saloon or whatever. If you declare it, you are not illegal. They will still help you. All the landlady that declare their apartment, that declare their house, they are going to help them. You will not declare, what will you do? You wey say you no go do job, you no go work, what will you do? Or maybe you wey get document, you give am to another person make e take dey work, you no dey work. Who dem wan give now? If the person wey you give document make e take dey work now, that one work go give am. Now that you wey know the work wey dey house, e no go give you o. E no go give you. E no go come pay your bill, and na him dey work, na she dey work for them, na she go get am. You understand? That is why it's good to work. You see, that is why it's good to declare your work. It's good to declare your work, my people. It's very good. Na good thing. Na good thing. Be creative. Okay? Be logic. Think very well. We know we dey think of back our home, back up to our people. All this school where they close, they don't close am for that side. How those people want to? They close school for Naija now. They want pay those children. They want help their parents. How they want to protect them? How they want to help them? You know they. Most of our people, they know they work. They don't get anything when they do. All their own are to sit down to wait for person wey dey abroad make you send money come, make dem take leave. So, oh boy, how far now? For as we come dey so, me wey come dey house since wey no dey work, where I wan see money to send for you? I be the other one wey dey house, wey no get paper, wey be dey do small work before. Where that one wan send money, see money send for you? E no dey. E no dey. And you wey dey work, wey you get money, you dey already pack am go give them for us. Pack every day. How far they wan bring the money come give you back? They wan send the money come give you now. My people, be wise. Be wise. Some of you are making mistake because of people you are moving with. I don't know if I will say people that you guys are making mistake because of people you are moving with, because people I move with never changed me. They have never changed me. Even when I was a young girl, a young lady, when I was young, when I was single, then nobody changed me. I was so decent and I remained decent. Nobody changed me. All this one when they talk, say them that's when they fight for boyfriend, oh, this and this, so they know they see me for inside. I know they. I don't know what is going on with you people. You can, I told you before, you can look for people, good family that you can make friend with. Good friends. There are also good friends out there that you can make friends with. It's not only people that fight for boyfriend. That kind of person when they say, and so you buy iPhone 11 for boy, 1,000, 1,001. That kind of person go still come be your friend. See, for that big money, for what? Even though now your husband self, for what? For what? Why? It is too much. For what? If you are buying that kind of thing for your husband, you know say your husband don't do what he pass that one plenty times. You see Beyonce and Jay-Z and Beyonce. You see they are anytime when they want to do birthdays and they and then change gift because so then they get this one go buy this one ring diamond see diamond this they go buy them. It's like that. So just leave this small message for you. Be wise. Use your sense. Move with the right people. They do the right thing in the country you are. Declare whatever you are doing. Pay tax to the government. Stop stealing from government. I told you. I said it on my video on YouTube. If you steal from the government, anytime you stole from them, they will surely come back to you. And when they will come back, you will pay times 10. You will pay times 10. So you do the right thing. Please, you do the right thing. Don't listen to anybody. You must be going with friends. Friends, I know all those ones when they say friends, they change person. I did that time because I know and no friend don't ever change me. That when I did single, I get friends. They not change me to misbehave. So they not still change you. Just get your sense. They say for club, boys, some boys know they work. Their girlfriends every weekend they go save money, give them in they buy casket of 1,000 euro a week every Saturday. To do what? What is inside that casket? Is bottle of drink champagne, jandam, all those kind they say every week. They will just drink 1,000 euro. And not be all those boys, not be their money. Now their women, and they contribute the money, give them. If you did, if now truth, please don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Money where person waste for young. Many people they regret them today. Money where they throw away when they young. Many people they regret them. Money where they would for take God that take better their life, then they regret them. When you dey young and you after when you dey single and marriage no the same and it will never be the same. When you dey young now, you dey keep 5 boyfriend, you dey keep 10 boyfriend, you dey keep sugar daddy, all of them. Then they help you. Many they give you money. Many they pay your bill. Many they pay your house rent. You dey think say you don't arrive. It's not the same. When you marry, you no go ever see am again. You don't finish. Never. Now me some they do oloju kokoro. Now me then they some they go commit adultery, fornication because of wetin don't pass. They not feel remove am from their head. They not feel forget am. They not prepare themselves say when I marry, all the thing not go be the same thing. They not fit. They go na him make they go come. They go still go cheat on their husband. Or some go evil because of the life way us boyfriend and girlfriend don't live. That life of wasting of money, using money anyhow where they live, when they young, when they find themselves. So when they will come married, they come they get children. Children don't come. They don't come they see that kind of money again. Then they will now begin discuss and say, okay, you leave my children for me. They go Sokoto, go they find money come. They go Ibadan, they go this side, they get that side because of the kind life when they live before, the kind hail where people don't hail them before, the kind of this name where they don't bear before, so they don't want for. They don't want people come say, now so they can't be see them no, they want try to meet up again. They want try make people they keep that level, they'll begin do rubbish, they'll begin commit adultery because they want try meet up of wetin they fed do before. Life now jejeje. You don't hurry in life. You start your own things where small. By the time you go, the thing will come they grow grow small small. Me, I believe in going small small. I no dey believe grow once. I believe like this small small. One day the thing go dey okay. It's what I believe. I don't believe in competition. I don't believe in run to dey run compete it with people. No, I like being unique as I am right from time. I do what I want to do. I do what I like to do. Even that when I was young, when I was single, people used to say, "Hey, you why you know they do like this?" That no, I know what I'm doing. I know what I was doing. No matter how people will toast me, men, this, I will say no, because this place now is the place I want to stay. I don't want to mess up. I don't want to mess up this place. I don't want to mess myself up. So when my husband will come, you guys, I will be using bad height to look the person that I want to marry. No, I will not accept it. Do you understand? Life is like that. Just take it easy. You do yourself. Any people you know you are moving with that is not right at all. The character is too dirty, especially the words that is coming out of their mouth. If it's too corrupt, don't me go with them. No, 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 no. Don't me go with them. Yes, everybody they talk. Everybody is allowed to talk. You can talk about matter. Matter is allowed to talk. They call it gossip. Fine, it's everybody's allowed. If you see somebody pass, go see that car. See that car. See the man take drive and pass. Boom. Now gossip still be that. Now wetin happen? Now you dey talk. It's allowed to talk. But when the person that you guys are talking together is going out of the matter, is forging matter, that one is a sin. And that one I be the sin. To forge matter. To forge matter, to lie on people, to put maggi and salt. That is where the person is now sinning against God. So my people, I've given you my little advice. Try and always declare your resources. Declare whatever you are doing. Do the right thing. If you don't have document, no problem. God will bring you home. But don't forget to always buy ticket. Don't forget to also live a righteous life. Don't forget to keep away from bad things. Remove your hands from evil. Remove your hand from things that does not glorify God. Don't forget that. And don't forget to go and declare yourself for government. Let them know you. This person is with us in this country, but we know say no get paper. You can go and fill that paper and be filling it every year. Put 0 for them. Put your name, put your address, put 0, return it. Say 2. Don't forget that you are in another man's country. You have to study. Go to the school and learn their language so that you can know what to do. You can know how to obey their laws. If you don't have paper. But if you have paper, you have document, please stop doing black job. Stop it. If you want, you know, say you want evil to do, so you know that you have a job that you declare. People they do am. Some people they work for it throughout a day. When they declare night, they also go and do hard job black. They do it. But you know, me, I have secured. I secure for this side. Please stop it, okay? Do the right thing. Try and do the right thing. Okay, my people. What is the time? Let me see. Okay. Let me just stay for a little bit. Maybe 2 minutes. I'll be done. Yeah. So that if I have any other thing that I want to discuss, that I want to say, I will just use the opportunity to remember it and say it. Okay? You see? So that is it. Oh, please, I've said my whole. Help me to check the video to still get to others. Others should watch it and still be blessed. Share it to them. And don't forget to pray. Let us be praying for the land we are. Pray for Europe, pray for Africa, especially Africa people. Please don't forget to pray for them, because when this sickness will get to them, when it will start killing them, it will kill a lot of them. There is no good hospital. There is nothing. Yeah, but we believe God will do it. Will forgive us our sins. Anywhere we are sinning against God, wherever we are sinning against things, we have it in hope that God will forgive us and have mercy on us and remove this sickness away from the road. Remove it away from our side. People are still going to work. People are still working. That the hands of God should rest upon them. The hands of God should protect them as they go to work every day. It's not easy. God will surely be with them. And a lot of people that are sick, they are scared, they are afraid. They don't know what to do. They are so discouraged. Some of them are crying that they have not seen their relative, their loved one, their close ones since. But God will make a way for them. God will deliver them. God will be with them. Okay? So let's join our hands together and put the word in prayer. And let God have mercy, have compassion upon us, and let the solution be out by the power of Almighty God. Okay, thank you very much for worship. Don't forget to go and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Letiat Goose TV, and follow me on my page, Letiat Goose at Products 6. Please help me to share this video. There are a lot of people that are looking for help there, so that this video, maybe if they listen to it, then we'll see some we will see encourage them inside. Okay, thank you very much. Thanks for watching, and may God bless you and stay blessed. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.